Drop your bags at the door as soon as you get here because there's nothing for you to do. Smooth and ready and perfect in every way. Immaculate and well taken care of with tons of extras. Mostly one-level living with 3 bedrooms, 2 full baths, plus an office, living room, formal dining and laundry downstairs. Large bonus room and extra storage upstairs. Kitchen has gorgeous granite, island, stainless appliances, including refrigerator and gas range with double ovens. Enjoy coffee on your light and airy screened-in deck and entertaining on the additional decking and patio. Corner lot has irrigation system, plus backyard is fenced in. Hardwoods in main areas. Central vac. Water filtration / softener. Roof 2 years old. HVAC 3 years old. Storm shelter and floor safe to stay. Home warranty also provided. Neighborhood has pools, playground and walking trails. Excellent.